Hey guys, it's my it's on the way to vlogs right now. It's on outside right now. Heck yeah, guys! I want you to see this. This is a miracle. All the snow's here. Look at this, guys. Look at the snow, guys. Look at that. That's so cool. We can get snow on my videos. That's right. Look. See right here? That is snow everywhere. It's awesome, guys. Look at the snow. Hey, beautiful or what? It is. That is beautiful, guys. That's weird. Yeah. Sorry guys, but guys, right now it's cold outside. Sorry about that. There's some animal. Growling. It's weird. It's weird. Guys, guys, I'm sorry about that, guys. That's something. Right. Guys, this is awesome. Wow, guys, this is awesome. This is a miracle ever. So cool. Guys, I think today would be cloudy day, but it's not. Look, it's blue sky today. It's clouds. It's alright. It's cool. Yeah, it's just very cool. Today, I'm in this today. I know. Yeah. I'm still wearing my hats, got in my room. Right, I still do a lot. This one give me warm. Right. My other house too give me warm too as well. Yeah, that's right. We see both and one. That's cool. We do that. Remember I have this every day, and my hats. I got my King's Island hats. Yes, I've been painting a part of the upstairs too. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. That's a beautiful or what? It's awesome. We can get my savers sunglasses on. They look beautiful, right? Yeah. Very cool, what? It's awesome. Today is Wednesday. Yep. That's awesome. Guys, guess what? If Frank can be here today, yeah, you would be here. I heard it happen. I heard about. So I heard Frank getting his eye surgery. Right. It got canceled. I wish I would be with my sister Amanda. Right. But today I will be with Frank today. Right. Yeah, right. Frank will be here today. That's awesome. He'll be here about till 11 o'clock in the morning. 11 o'clock, remember that. Well, now guys, it is really nasty outside, but it is nasty outside cold. All on my streets are wet. Check it out. Look at that, guys. All my streets are wet. Yeah, almost it's over. Yeah. It's alright. That's awesome, guys. This is a miracle. I love this weather. I got my Christmas tree. Guys wanna see it? Hey, we'll see it. Let's not Frank yet. It'll be here 11 o'clock. We'll see the Christmas tree. Guys, be careful. I heard the alert. Be careful of the eyes, and be careful of eyes to in my slick, in my down on the butt. That is not cool, right? I hope not. Look at this, guys. It's my tree. Let's see it. Yeah, it's in there. Look, it's with the boy in there. Hi, Rudy. Oh, yeah. There's my Christmas tree over there. I know it's too far away. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. I got my tree up. It's awesome. Be careful of ice. I just slept. Careful, guys. Guys, be careful of ice. Ice is very dangerous to fall all the time. I was at a movie theater with my sister Jenna and go see Justin Bieber movie, right? I think single 3, I think. There's a sheet of ice there. I fell on my butt. That's not cool, right? It's not cool. That then I didn't vlogging on YouTube. I haven't. I think I have, but I haven't. Right. But now I started YouTube right now. It's awesome. It's sorry, guys. I'm real excited about Tyler. Is done. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, guys. But guys, definitely he will be. Guys, definitely Tyler will be back soon. Definitely he'll be back soon, but not now. Not now. But he needs to stay focused for his new job at Circle Creek. We need to stay focused on that first. But right, we get money about light bill, all that stuff like that. Right. It's about money, right? Right. Yeah, it is hard, guys. Guys, this is a. Yesterday I got upset. Check that out. Check it out. My new video just came out yesterday. I got a bad temper yesterday. It's hard. It's hard because of Tyler. It's hard. My heart is not. My heart's not in it yet. I know, guys. This is hard for me. Right, it's hard. I'm saying it in my heart. I can't let it go. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it tight in my heart right now. I'm gonna cry, guys. I miss him, guys. I miss him so much. I was about to me on YouTube. I don't know. Yes, I don't know, guys. I don't know if he's back with me or not. I think not. This is fine because I'm crying right now. I'm really sorry about, guys. I'm really sorry about this, guys. We got really bad temper yesterday. All my friends. Right? Amber and my brother Brendan Jackson, his brother, his older brother, got engaged. I hate that. That make my day a horrible day yesterday. That's why that happened. Check it out, that video. Check it out, that video yesterday. Check it out. Watch it. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that, guys. It's cool. I'm okay now, guys. But today is my new day. Today it's sunny outside, guys. It's sunny outside, guys. It's awesome. Awesome. There's snow on the ground. It's a miracle. Yeah. Awesome. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm getting my head out. There you go. Guys, I got these clothes from back in the day. This is awesome. A little red thing on top. This thing for a phone. Red phone to touch screen with this thing. A red tip. Touch screen with the gloves on. That's cool, right? Yeah, it's cool. It's starting right now, guys. It's awesome. It's really cool, guys. My friend will be here as well. Hang out. Yeah, it'll be fun today. This video for my sunny weather vlogs right now. But it's sunny right now, but this is just the sun at. He would be out. Yeah. That's cool. That's cool, guys. So guys, today I'm gonna make an episode. I don't know what the episode is. I'll find out. I will, guys, let you know about it. Yeah, we're gonna do it now. Alright, we do it. Guys, if you're watching, just like and subscribe. Click on the bell for nobody gonna get some bell in the below. This is awesome, guys. I like this weather because of this one I like. You can read this during the winter time and it's sunny. It's awesome. Alright, guys, if you're watching this video, push like and subscribe. Click on the bell for notification bell and down below. Do it now, guys. Do it. Guys, got it? Do it now, guys. Do it. I'll see you guys, guys. And guys, I love you guys. I will talk to you guys later on. To the my next episode. I don't know what number is it, but I'm gonna say no. Subscribe for more. Alright guys, I love you guys. That's guys outside the car. Frank. See you guys. Bye.